Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Open, and today I will show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So, to get started, open up your standalone contacts application, which will be located in the Google folder right over here. Next, navigate to Fix and Manage, and then Manage SIM. This will display all the contacts that are on your SIM card, and by default the device will try to import those contacts to the Google account if you have one signed in. If you don't, you most likely will not see this option right here at all, as the only option for you to import your contacts to would be the device. Now, you can also see that most of these contacts are grayed out for me because these contacts already exist on the Google account that the device is trying to import them to, and even this one already exists. I don't know why it always allows me to import this, but in any case. Now, if I change the import location to something like the phone itself, you can see that all of them now become checked and not grayed out anymore. And you can also deselect contacts that I don't want. From there, click on import. It will ask us if you want to keep or delete these contacts. This is a stupid question. You want to keep them as they don't get in your way in the contacts list. And obviously having them on your SIM card is a nice way to have a backup copy just in case. So I'm going to choose keep. Now from here, we can then navigate back to contacts, and depending on where you have imported your contacts to, you might need to switch the display location. So I'm going to click right over here and choose device, and this will display all the contacts that I have imported to the device itself. So there we go. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.